Hello everyone, uh, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. In this small video, I'm going to show how, after subscribing, how you get an email from me about the Magic IB alarm and how you open the email and where and how to copy those EAs and then where to put them and then how to attach those EAs to the charts. So let's get started. Um, so I'm gonna show you that. Okay, this is the email I sent it to myself, right? Just to show you guys. So this is from me and to me, right? But this is how you're gonna get. This is the second email that you get when you subscribe, or maybe I'll put them together as a whole package. I don't know. So, but this is how you're gonna get. So what are you gonna do with this Magic IB system now? In this email, you will have these two folders attached, right? And these three videos, which are here, how to do this, how to do that, right? But these are the folders where you have the files attached. So this is the file is a Magic IB alarm, and this is I made new charts, before charts, 40-minute and weekly charts, indexes and pairs, and then send out. So this is the last batch I sent out on last Sunday actually, July 18th. Okay, so this is the one that we're gonna deal with today. So I'm going to download this folder. How to do that is that you see this arrow here. It says download. Click on that. Once you open the email in your browser, whatever the browser you use, so you see, you click the download, and you have this folder downloaded here. It says the folder. You open this folder up like this, and then it will open up, and it will have two things in here, two items, right? This is one of these is like a PDF, how to videos. In this PDF, you will see the videos. Let me show it to you. If I double click on that, this is how it's going to open, and it is not opening. Why? All right, now it is opening, right? So it's a PDF here, and then you can see this. This is what in this video. All of this video, and these are three videos. How to do this, how to do that. You can watch those. Now this is the folder where the alarm EAs are here. So double click on that, and here we go, right? So this is again also you have how to videos on folder here, so like a PDF. But these are the three alarms here, right? This ex4 files, red cross, with cross, and without cross. So we're going to highlight all these three and copy them like this, and press and hold the control button, and then you can just highlight all these three together, and right click and copy, right? Copy to your clipboard. So now we're going to add these three EAs, alarm EAs, to our MT4 platform. Whatever the broker you use doesn't matter, right? You all it matters is that you're using MT4. So I am using this here, for example, Light Forex. Let's go there. Light Forex here. And then you see all the way left hand top corner. This is file. We click on that. Then we drop here, and then you see this area is open data folder. Click on that, and a window will open up. And you see here, it says MQL4 files, this one, right? This folder. Double click on that, and then on the top you see it says experts. Double click on that, and this is where all the EAs are. Okay, so you can see I already, so here you can just right click and paste. I'm not gonna, well, even if I paste, I'm gonna get a message that replace, because I'm not gonna replace because I already have it, right? And then I can show you where they are. They're right there. See this Magic IB alarm cross, with cross, without cross, and red cross. All three of them here. And after that, you restart your MT4, right? Close it and then reopen again. If not, then your EA might not show up there. Okay, So now we go back to MT4 and then we test here. This button here says navigator. This is the button where you have all the EAs and indicators and everything, right? So we click on that and you make sure that all the way in the bottom where it says expert advisors, you have these three. So I have it magic IB alarm red cross, I have it with cross, I have it without cross. So all three are there, right? So this is done. You got the EA in your email, you copy them and you add into your MT4 and you make sure that they are there. Now, before you go any further, you have to make sure that your MT4 is set to use or able to use these EAs. So what we do is that you go on this area tool and you see here, you go in option, and here you can see this expert advisor button here. You click on that if it's not clicked, and then you will see this. So make sure that you have these two boxes checked: allow automated trading and allow DLL imports, right? And then everything else is unchecked. Only these two boxes checked. So once you do that, you have this okay, and your MT4 is ready to go. Make sure that this button is on. You see this enable automatic. If you click here or it is clicked already, what you're gonna have is it is not enabled. So you have to enable. See this cross sign here? So you must have it like this, right? So now it is enabled and your automated trading is fine. So now your MT4 can use those ES, expert advisors, right? These three. Now, how to attach those on the chart? So first you have to open the chart. Now, let's see quickly. I'm going to open. I think I have another video, but here I'm going to show you how, and then you can do it. But in fact, you know what? That's another video how to open those charts, right? So where do you add these things? Let me just quickly go someplace. For example, let's say EAX Euro Aussie profile. I have made all these profiles, so you're gonna get another video which shows that how to open, make these profiles. So I'm gonna show you my profile made already for EA. Euro Aussie, and I have that profile like that. See this expert, something was beeping, I guess. Anyway, so this is the chart open up here, right? I mean the profile. So basically, how I watch the and well, let's attach those things here, right? So I have opened the 5-minute chart, and then 40-minute chart, and then 20-minute chart, and then 7-minute chart. These are the three charts that we are using. One 5-minute chart, feeder chart, will host two charts, 40 and 20, and then another 5-minute chart we're gonna open and host 7-minute chart. Again, how to open these charts? You have a separate video, so watch that and then open the charts. So these are the charts open right now here, right? For example, now this is a 40-minute chart. Okay. You see all the way here, there's nothing here, right? So I'm going to attach an alarm here on my 40-minute chart. Which alarm I'm going to attach here? Without the cross. I click here and I go down here. I see this magic IB alarm without cross, double click here and then just press OK. Make sure that the face is smiling, not crying. That means it's working. Okay. So now it is attached. On the 40-minute chart, we attach the one that says without the cross. On the 20-minute chart, we attach the one that says with the cross. Double click on that with cross and just press OK and make sure it's there. It's just like this line here. See that? It's right there, right? Magic IB alarm with the cross. Okay, so that's done. And then on the 7-minute chart, we attach the one it says red cross. Now it is here. See, red cross, and then you close this. Simple as that. Now, all three charts, 40-minute, 20-minute, and 7-minute, have that. Now, you see that it just beep. You heard the beep, right? Why is it? Because euro index somewhere here on this profile I have, euro, see that right there, euro index 40-minute chart has the alarm on. Okay, I just wanted to see what's happening in the euro index, because if euro Aussie profile, I also have Aussie individual currency 40-minute, 20-minute, and euro 40-minute, 20-minute, just to see that what the index is doing. So see, it just beep like long alert on euro index 40-minute chart. So where's your euro index 40-minute chart? Is this, and we're gonna see long alert. So what is the long alert? Let me explain it to you real quick here. Without the cross means without the cross of this yellow and this adjacent black line. With cross means when you have a cross happen between this yellow and this black line, 89 and 55. See right here, that is. So the one that says with cross, which is we posted on the 20-minute chart, that means that this is one of the conditions that must happen, because, for example, short, to go short, you must have yellow below the black. On this 40-minute chart, it says without the cross, this condition don't exist. Okay, this is only when you have a reversal candle, either way, bullish or bearish, with this indicator all the way down or up. So for long, you see this reversal candle. Let me show it to you here. You see this reversal candle from the top is this black candle, from the bottom is this white candle. Okay, so now you see that this was a white candle. There is a white candle finished and new candle started, and this indicator is all the way down in between these two horizontal lines. So that's why that indicator beep. This is the alert that there might be a reversal like this one. It doesn't matter if it is with the trend or not. I just want to see every time it makes the turn. We call this turn for the swings. Swing up, swing down, swing up, swing down, swing up, swing down, right? Like that. And in the bad time, it wobbles like this, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we don't trade in the bad times, right? We have our timing to trade. This market open 20, stays open 24-hour, but you cannot trade 24-hour. There are times when the market just don't move and it wobbles, so you need to stay away. There are like this one, this area, but this one, this is the time to trade. Anyway, so reversal candle, and when that happened, with the indicator all the way down, it beat. So it's like an alert that there is a reversal candle. After that, usually you see here, after this, you have a down move. After long bullish reversal candle, look at big move. Again, the bearish reversal candle and the big move. So I want to know after a long swing that if the swing is big enough and you have a reversal with this bearish reversal candle, this indicator has to be all the way up. Bullish, this indicator has to be all the way down. This is on a 40-minute chart. Now, the 20-minute chart, for example, Euro Aussie we have. The 20-minute chart, by the way, every time you open, change the profile, you just refresh the chart, like, open the 5-minute chart, and then go indicator list, click on that, double click on that, Renko chart builder, and just make sure that you have a right price and everything is right, and then press OK and close the window, and right click anywhere on the chart and click on refresh. Then you get these messages, right? So that means that your chart is refreshed and there is no chance of mistake. So on a 20-minute chart, we can see that this is what's happening, and this 20-minute alarm is with a cross on the 20-minute chart. What does that mean? That means that for short, for example, this was a short entry here. This indicates all the way up. Blue candle turns red, but we also have this cross. Yellow was above here, above the black, and then see this cross happen here, and now it is below the black. So for short, yellow has to be below the black, and for long, Yellow has to be above the black. So now this one right now is a long condition. It's going to go long or not. That's not the matter. The matter is that right now, see this 7 p.m. This is not our trading time at all. So because there's no volume. So now this is a long setup basically because yellow is above the black and this indicator all the way down coming out. So unless I see a 7-minute entry, I wouldn't bother taking it even if I want to take it. So what does that mean? That I need the long setup on a 7-minute chart. So that would confirm that yes, this is really going to the upside. So I'm going to go on a 7-minute chart and see what is happening there. And I'm going to refresh the 7-minute chart, 5-minute chart as well, feeder chart. Just click on that. Forget about the 33-minute chart. It's just like, wow. All right. So where's the 7-minute chart? Right there. Right now, you see the 7-minute chart. If you already know that what are the conditions for long and short. This is short scenario, but on my 20-minute chart showing long, right? And then the 40-minute chart is also long. Posting red candles, but it is bullish. It is bullish, right? So which one is going to prevail? Now 20-minute is long, so I can take only long only if this goes above the wave and then give me the entry. Now it is going down right now, right? And it is below the pivot, and on a 20-minute chart you can see here that even though it is bullish here, but the 40-minute chart is posting red candles after this. So the 7-minute chart may prevail. So we're going to take this one. But now this one, make sure that I'm not going to explain how to open the trade on this one in this video. But see, this one has a red cross. What does that mean? That means that the yellow not only has to be below the black, but it has to be also below the red for a short entry. Okay, forget about this indicator here. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm always testing different things, so you see that. So that's how it is. Right here, you can see that it is a nice short entry here. It was a nice short entry here because it is a red cross, means the yellow has crossed the red line as well. You see this as the red line? This is like a borderline. All the image, this is the way, this is the bottom one, the first one, right? It's all the way below all these. But now then yellow is crossing everything, and then finally it crosses the red, and then if you have a short entry after crossing a yellow crossing below the red, that is the red cross alarm. Now here it will beep, it will give you the alarm, and then you can take it. So you can see now here that if you had taken it, you would have been in a positive territory easily. And our SL is always like when you open a trade, you place your SL right above or below the high or the low. For short is below and then above here, and for the long, for example, if you take a long, for example, like this entry, right? If you go long, you place your SL right here. Entry would be here, and SL would be here. When you go a little bit, the price goes a little bit in your favor, you move your SL to break. Simple as that. You see my trades all the time, right? So this is how these 3 EAs you use step by step, like 40-minute without the cross, 20-minute with cross, and 7-minute red cross. Okay. How to open a trade step by step, that is another video. Okay. This is just to take it from the email and add to the charts. All right. So this is it for now. Any other question, or if you don't understand anything, then you can email me on my forexmagic@gmail.com, and I will explain you or send you a proper video so you can watch it and learn easily. Okay. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.